Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. For this video, I thought I would talk about blue chip soft drink companies, in particular Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. As you know, Pepsi is currently in the news for a rather controversial advertising campaign it came out with a couple days ago. It's been receiving a lot of backlash in the media, a lot of negative coverage about this. The company recently came out with an apology for the ad, pulled the ad, but the damage has been done. So I thought I'd kind of talk about the perennial topic or conversation between these two large blue chip companies, Coca-Cola and PepsiCo. What is the better buy? Traditionally, everybody has referred to Coca-Cola as the prototypical or quintessential buy and hold stock. You buy it, you forget about it. It's got a great dividend yield, and it's also got great yearly capital appreciation, where Pepsi has kind of been the little brother, not the best buy and hold stock, and inferior quality products. I thought I'd kind of take a look at the two stocks, knowing sort of the history behind each of these stocks, to see if this really holds true and which is the best investment. And also solicit some opinion from you guys to kind of consider what is the better stock. So Coca-Cola here, you can see here 42.57, trended down a bit today, as all stocks did over the last 5 years. It's only up 35.36%, while the S&P 500 overall is up about 120%. So you can see it's lagging behind the S&P 500 quite a bit here. If we take a look at some of its fundamentals here, it's got a great dividend yield. It's always had a good dividend yield, 3.377%. The PE ratio is reasonable as well, 28.373, and you can see here it's a very large company, as we all know, 183.01 billion for its market cap. And it's really nearing kind of its 52-week high, or actually 52-week low is only 39.88. So it's been a very stable stock, has not had a lot of volatility judging from that. And you can see here from this chart as well, it's kind of trending up and then trending down a bit, but kind of a steady climb, but really not keeping pace with the overall S&P 500 index. PepsiCo, on the other hand, you can see here 111.69, also trended down a bit, 0.12%. Interestingly enough, it was kind of trending up here during the controversial ad campaign, and then when it came out with a statement apologizing and pulling the advert, you can see it started trending down. Very peculiar there, but did receive some negative news. You can see here over the last 5 years, this has performed a lot better than Coca-Cola, 96.47%. So based off the capital appreciation over the last 5 years, PepsiCo is definitely the preferred company here. If we take a look at the fundamentals, it's got a great dividend yield as well, 2.829%. Lags a little bit behind Coca-Cola. The PE ratio is a little bit better, so the price for every earning of dollars is cheaper. So this is the cheaper stock here at 25.674% for the PE ratio. You can see here, this is also a very large company, 160.05 billion. If we take a look at Coca-Cola again, 183.01 billion. So PepsiCo is almost as large as Coca-Cola, which I did not know. And again, it's got a similar dividend ratio and a similar PE ratio, but it's performed a lot better over the last 5 years or so. What are your guys' opinions on these two stocks? Is Coca-Cola the better stock? Is PepsiCo the better stock? I had initially bought some Coca-Cola here for a buy and hold, but it really wasn't performing well. I did not put a lot of equity in. I'm almost thinking about maybe getting rid of Coca-Cola here. It's not really done anything for me. You can see my there. It's only been 43 cents, while PepsiCo here, I've earned $34.37, 8.33%. Yes, I do have a little bit more equity here, but the percentage is 0.34 here and 8.33 here. And it's got a great dividend yield as well. You can see on the bottom here, I've got a couple dividends that I've already received on January 6th and the 31st here. So, very good company. I think I may keep PepsiCo. I may sell off Coca-Cola. It really just hasn't done anything. And as the consumer base kind of is switching away from sugary soft drinks into other beverage choices, healthier beverage choices, I don't think these companies have a bright future. And I know they are, expanding and buying some flavored waters and sports drinks, so on and so forth. But I just don't know if I want to keep these companies. Coca-Cola, I think I'm definitely going to sell. PepsiCo, I think I may keep, but not put any more equity into. So My choice would be PepsiCo. Let me know what you guys think about Pepsi versus Coke. Kind of the age-old question, which is better? Coke has traditionally been thought of as the superior company, superior product. And just personally, I enjoy Coke products more than I do Pepsi products. But again, that's me personally. As far as national brand, I think Coca-Cola definitely outpaces Pepsi. But as far as international sales, I think they're about equal with regards to total volume. And again, these companies are buying and diversifying with flavored waters and sports drinks and a lot of other products that are a little bit healthier choices. But I really don't think these companies are great long-term buys anymore. So I think I'm going to be selling off Coca-Cola. I said I'll keep Pepsi since I already have it, but I'm not going to be putting any more equity into the stock. So let me know what you guys think about Coca-Cola versus Pepsi. If you guys have these in your portfolios, if not, why? And if you do, are you going to be holding, or are you going to look to sell off here as the market has been trending up here nicely over the last month or so? So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel. I hope you guys are learning as much as I am learning. Again, I'm trying to follow up on all of your video ideas and put out videos here. This wasn't a video idea. I just thought about this as the news was covering the Pepsi scandal, so I thought I would kind of take a look at my portfolio between Coca-Cola and Pepsi to see which stock has been performing better. And PepsiCo has been dominating Coca-Cola over the last 3 or 4 months and over the last 5 years as well. So yeah, not to make the video too long here, I'll kind of wrap up here and yeah, kind of leave it here, and we'll see you guys next video.